Hey guys, this is Rachel from Fernandina Beach Christian Academy. I'm here with my partner Rick, and we are going to demonstrate the first ever Christian Human Domino Challenge. So let us tell you a little bit about the challenge.
This is not any ordinary challenge, because if you miss one piece, you miss it all. So we're going to explain how it's done.
So in the beginning of the video, you will notice that God, our person acting as God,
He's a big guy.
He reaches out to start the domino effect.
It always starts with God and God's love.
But there's a piece missing, and the effect can't take place.
And that first piece that's missing after God's love is what he tells us in the Bible, to love him back with everything that we have. That's the missing piece. Once we put that piece in, where we love God back, everything flows from there.
Throughout the video, you'll notice that there might be a few slower moments of the fall or a few bumps along the way, but that's a perfect demonstration of what a relationship with Christ is like.
Nothing in life is smooth, and this video definitely demonstrates that.
There are parts of it in the video where everything does fall down perfectly and as planned. And at the very end, you'll notice the great catch.
So, the dominoes, though, stand for something, and that's for all the great things that God wants to do in our lives. He wants to give us a purpose for our life. He wants to give us love, joy, and peace. He wants to help us overcome our challenges. He wants to heal us. He wants to help us. He wants to love us. But he's waiting on us. It's our turn to love him back. He already loves us. That's set in stone. What he's waiting for is for us to love him back.
So we challenge you. Do you want to take that step in and love God back and have the domino effect in your life?
So that's the challenge. The challenge is to love God back. You've seen it done with our Christian Domino Challenge, and now we would like you to give it a try at your school or in your community.
So one of the points that we're trying to make is that we are the missing piece. So when we step in, God's ready right there at the very beginning. But at the end of the video, you'll notice that God's there all the way through the end as well, the whole journey. God doesn't leave.
He never leaves us. And the challenge is, again, for us to love him back. So we accepted the challenge as a school, and now we're getting it out to you guys to see if you'll accept the challenge.